Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, and today I will show you how we can record screen on this device. Get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen like so, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Next, find the screen recording toggle, which for me is right over here. Once you see yours, you can simply tap on it. It will give you this pop-up letting you choose what kind of audio will be recorded, and you have a choice between no audio, media, or media and mic. For some reason you don't have the option to just record mic. And additionally you can also record touches on the screen, which I'll enable just so you can see how that looks like. Select start recording, we can skip the countdown, and now whatever you'll do will be recorded by the device. If you open up some applications that should also be recorded, though there is a limitation which I'll try to show right now. No, we don't need to log in. And I am not going to be agreeing to anything. So yeah, reject. There we go. So I am not signed in, therefore I have not agreed to any terms of service nor use. And additionally, I did also reject the bullshit that popped out there. Now I am pointing that out because now that we will stop the recording by clicking on a square, and I'm gonna navigate back to the playback, or just to play it back, we can find the recording in our Photos application. There we go. And you can see it right here. So it is visible in the Photos tab, but you can also navigate to the library, and in here we will have, it looks like it's going to be stored under the camera section, so we have camera, and you can view it in here. And what you will see in a second is that everything that I did up until opening up Netflix was recorded just fine. But the moment I did open up Netflix, what you will get is, disregard this, and there we go, there's our Netflix. So I want to, again, stress this, I have not given Netflix any permission whatsoever, and yet it can block the screen recorder from working without any permission of mine. And I'm pointing that out because this dogshit application comes pre-installed with the phone, and it has more control over your own phone than you do yourself, because there is no option for us to change so we can record apps that can utilize the blocking feature like this one. Now, the feature itself is designed for privacy and security of the user, and usually that will be fine, as it is primarily used in bank apps to basically prevent some spyware from being able to see you type in passwords and pins, stuff like that. So you can imagine that's great. But when it doesn't matter is in Netflix, where it's not really protecting anything of yours, and furthermore it's more like infringing on your privacy and actual security, considering it's changing things that you didn't give it permission to. So yeah, I just wanted to point that out because I just find this to be an absolute BS when it comes down to Androids. And yeah, there we go. So with that being said, this is how you record your screen, and also if you ever encounter this kind of black screen, just know there's nothing you can do about it. And with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.